Hi, I'm Carol Rivet. This is my Global Domains International back office. You can see my name right here. Okay, I'm a Platinum Director. And this is your control panel right back here. This is where you can find everything. Okay, I just want to show you one of the things here with the GDI bonus that I've been able to qualify for, and one of the members in my downline has been able to qualify for. It's the Superstar bonus, which is you earn every time you refer 5 people in a week, you earn a $100 bonus. Okay? And this has been, like it says, it has been going on for years. Global Domains International has been around for over 25 years. And so you can see all the years that it's been going on for. You can scroll right here and see there's my name and Jerry. Jerry's in my downline too. There's his name. And this is what we owe it to. This is what we're using to advertise with, is the GDI Smart Rotator. Automatically places members for you, and it also has really great advertising resources for you too. Now, as you can see, I advertise on YouTube and other places, and traffic exchanges and things. This is a great way to grow GDI. If you were in GDI before and you struggled, or if you've tried other things and you've struggled and you're looking at GDI because it's a strong company, it's been around, like I said, 25 years, it's PayPal accepted. It's a great company. It's digital real estate. You get a domain name, and like mine's carol.ws, very easy to remember. All right, and this is, and I know Jerry is using this too. Okay, besides doing his own advertising. You can see all these people. Okay, so this is a fantastic way to grow GDI. If you're not in this, I encourage you to click the link below this and get started with your free 7-day trial. And when you join my team, you get this capture page. Okay, so this is so you can build your own list and you can brand yourself. Okay, now the Smart Rotator has capture pages too. It does have some nice advertising landing pages and other pages in there. So you do not have to use this. All right, but if you want to grow your list and that's your best asset, and you get an email series, you need to use Lead Sleep. Okay, and you need to be at my downline. If you want this capture page system, please like and subscribe and comment below this video one thing that you like about GDI. Okay, if you want to get this, if I'm going to give this to you free, I'd like you to at least like and subscribe, share, and comment below one thing you like about GDI. All right, well, let me show you one last thing. Okay, this is my email. You can see how good this is. The capture page has been working. And here is, I put everything into one folder here. I have my prosperity folder, I call it. And I put all my GDA signups here. Now, there's no guarantee that you're going to have the same success, okay? But if you're not having success with something, it's because you don't have a system. You need a system, okay? So click the link below and start your free 7-day trial today.